We've just acquired this Range Rover Velar 300D HSE Dynamic, so it's a 3-litre diesel and a Dynamic spec. It's got a remainder of a Range Rover warranty until March 2022. It's got a remainder of 5-year servicing package on it, and it's also full Land Rover service history and recently very quickly serviced. As you can see, it's got the copper effect, which is in vogue at the moment, trim. It's got the 22-inch alloy wheels, got the panoramic roof, tilt and slide, not fixed. It's keyless entry. Door handles come out for you. Electric operating folding mirrors. Absolutely stunning condition throughout. At the back, got full park distance control with a reverse camera, privacy glass, got the carpet mats. Boot area is absolutely immaculate. It is stunning condition. We've got the electric seats, it's got massage seats, it's got heated seats, full leather, electric windows. Show you in the back. This car's not been used and abused in any way. It is in lovely condition. Got the Meridian surround sound system. Step in the car. So it's done 30,565 miles. Got cruise control. As I said before, heated seats, massage seats, all there. Nice cockpit control there. Got navigation, media pack, phone, Bluetooth connectivity. All-terrain system for driving the vehicle, climate control, cruise control, lane assist. It's lovely with the black leather and the white pipe stitching. So to recap, it's got a remainder of a Land Rover warranty until March 2022. It's got a remainder of 5-year servicing package with Land Rover, and it's also got full Land Rover service history, and it is one owner from new. It comes with 2 keys, just doesn't get any better. It's like buying the vehicle from Land Rover but not paying the premium costs that you do there. So if you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.